SMF Street Traders, as we were given the best thing about biotech yesterday in our analysis, and one of the things that we were talking about was the biotech would be the bright spot to be in. And once again, Human Genome Sciences and GlaxoSmithKline, I call them Clown, but they're Klein, announces FDA priority review designation for Benlysta as a potential treatment for lupus. It would be the best cure in the last 50 years for lung cancer. And basically, here are some of the highlights. Potential treatment for systemic lupus. Priority review designation is granted to drugs that, if approved, offer major advances in treatment or provide a treatment where no adequate therapist exists. Did you hear what I said? SMF Street Traders. And remember, this was the very one that we were buying at $3.30 on the calls. And we own it big now. And guess what? We said yesterday, go to our biotech section. Here we have HGS Design Phase 3 program with GlaxoSmithKline, leading international SLE experts, and in consultation with the famous FDA. Not only that, we are very pleased that the FDA has chosen to grant a priority review. And this is what we were talking about. We have it on our website. Go back, take a look at Human Genome. We were talking about that it would come, some kind of an announcement would come on the 19th. Today is 8/19/2010. And guess what? SMF hit it right to the date. This is where we're going to see when people want to get involved in the name. They've been adding new people to their staff outside of the U.S. In 2006, HGS and GlaxoSmithKline entered into a definite co-development agreement, which they did, and Phase 3 and 4 development costs, sell, marketing expenses, and profits of any profits commercialized under the agreement. About GlaxoSmithKline, R&D is employing novel approaches to harness the therapeutic potential of biopharmaceuticals nonetheless. So you got a major player behind Human Genome, and here's all the information around Human Genome Sciences. And basically, it's a huge drug, folks. It's the kind of drug that we haven't seen out here in 50 years. We're going to be praying for all of the people who benefit that they get this thing passed. It's not about making money on the trade. What it's really about is that there is finally some hope for people around the world and in the U.S. that there can be a cure and or treatment for lung cancer. And like it says down here, there has not been any adequate treatment. Phase 3 clinical trials that treated a total of 1,684 antibody positive patients with SLE. HGS designed the Phase 3 program because they did in collaboration. Now, the thing I love about it is there's going to be a lot more news coming. Like I said, when retail goes down, when other technology goes down in the cycle, there's a bright spot. There is a huge spot in the BTKX.X. Go to stockmarketfunding.com, SMF Street. We did a special on that one yesterday, and we're going to be accumulating more of the shares. Welcome to SMF Street. That's very good news on the biotech front.